Peace, love, and light. Healing through inspiration. How y'all doing? It's a great Grandos Day. Wanted to talk to y'all today about just free yourself, man. Free yourself. Free yourself. And some of you may think you're not being held captive. You're not in captivity and whatnot. Well, let's see. If you are entertained between who's running for office, presidential office, whether we have a president or we don't, or this and that, free yourself. Free yourself, man. Free yourself. I'm You're worried about how many votes, did this votes, the voting system, this and that. Worried about the celebrities and garbage, and they just keep running their mouth. Free yourself.